Hello, it's Mr. Williams here again with another online maths lesson. And with a little help from my friends, we're going to be counting in threes today. But before we do that, let's just think back to the last lesson and let's practice a little bit more counting in fives. So, here's my friend Fiver the frog, and he likes counting in fives. Now, as he jumps across the lily pads, he's going to count in fives, but some of the numbers are hidden by the flowers. Can you say the numbers as he lands on them? Okay, here we go. 5, 10, and what's that number? It was 15, 20, 25, and the next number is 30, 35, 40. Next number is 45, 50, and the next number is 55, 60. Super counting in fives, everybody. So far in our counting lessons, we have counted in twos, in tens, and in fives, and today we are going to count in threes. But before we get started, here's our friend Suki to tell us what we're going to need for this lesson. So, these are the things that we will need for this lesson. A pencil and paper, or a whiteboard and pen. A number line, and the number line I'm going to be using today is a 0 to 40 number line. And a 100 square. Now, if you haven't got a number line or a 100 square, don't worry, because we will put them up on the screen to use. Now, you can pause the video here to go and get together the equipment that you need for this lesson. Let's start off by using the 100 square to count in threes. And when we count in threes, we will be counting every third number, which means we can miss out two numbers between the ones we count. So let's do this together using a 100 square. So if you have got a 100 square at home, you can use that now, or we can do it together on the screen. So we're going to count in threes. So let's highlight off the numbers as we count. So the first number is 3. Now remember, I said because we're going to count every third number, we can miss 2 out. So we can count 3, miss out 4, 5, and then we'll highlight 6. Miss out 7, 8, and then we'll highlight 9. Now, if you've got your 100 square, pause the video here and see if you can carry on highlighting every third number. That means counting in threes and highlighting the numbers on your 100 square. Come back here when you've done it. Okay then, let's carry on this 100 square. So we've got to 9, miss out 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So far we've counted in threes up to 30, and we can start to see a pattern emerging, a diagonal pattern. Now, if we were to carry on, the pattern would look just like this. Now we can also use our number line to help us count. So if I bring up a number line on the screen, and let's see if we can count together in threes. So we'll start here at 0, and remember we'll use that skip counting. We'll miss out 2 numbers in between. Are you ready? So 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Oh, fantastic counting, everybody. And look at the pattern that we have made. Can you see the numbers that we have missed out? Okay, let's just clear out our number line off a second. I wonder if we can do this backwards. So we'll start at 30 and count backwards in threes. We'll go a little bit slower. Okay, so let's start here at 30. And the same thing again, we're going to skip count, counting backwards, missing 2 numbers out. Okay, here we go. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, and 0. Ah, fantastic counting in threes, everybody. Well done. Okay, so we're starting to get better and better already at counting in threes. To help us a little bit more, let's bring back our old friend, the counting stick. And today, I'm going to put 0 at the start of the counting stick, and each of these lines, each of these divisions will be 3 more. So we're going to count in threes all the way up to 30. Okay, so we'll count together in threes. Are you ready? Here we go. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, well done. Shall we try again? Maybe a little bit quicker? Okay, let's see. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Fantastic counting. Okay, we will see now if we can do it backwards, and we'll go nice and slowly. So we'll start at 30, counting backwards in threes all the way back to 0. Okay, here we go. 30, 27, 24. I'm just going to stop there to tell you a little secret. If you're struggling with it, it's quietly in your head, you could say the numbers you're missing out. So we could go 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Okay, let's start again, and you might want to use that little tip. Here we go. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Fantastic counting, everybody. Now, our friend Sunny has got a few mystery numbers on his counting stick that he would like you to try and work out. Okay, so Sunny has put 0 at the start of his counting stick. Each of the lines are 3 more. So again, it's counting in threes. What is the mystery number? Okay, let's work it out together. Starting at 0, here we go. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 was our mystery number. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so we've got our 0 at the start of the number line. Can you work out the mystery number? Okay, let's do it together. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 was the mystery number. Well done if you got it right. Now, Sunny is now going to put 30 on the end of his counting stick, and we're going to count backwards. Can you work out the next mystery number? Okay, let's see if we can work this out together. Starting at 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15 was the mystery number this time. Okay, let's do one more counting backwards. Okay, shall we work this one out together? Starting at 30, here we go. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, and 6 was the mystery number this time. Well done, everybody. Now then, we're going to use our knowledge of counting in threes to help us solve some number sequence problems now. So here's our friend Poppy, and she has a number sequence here on her balloons with two mystery numbers at the end. Let's see if we can work it out together. So it goes 6, 9, 12, 15. What's the rule for this number sequence? Ah yes, counting on in threes. So 6, 9, 12, 15, add 3 is 18, add 3 is 21. Let's try another one. Okay, here's another number sequence with two mystery numbers in the middle. This time it starts at 30. The next number is 27. 27 is 3 less than 30. Then we've got our two mystery numbers. Then we've got 18 and 15. And 15 is 3 less than 18. So the rule for this sequence is counting back in threes. So our sequence goes 30, 27, count back 3 is 24, count back 3 is 21, count back 3 is 18, then 15. Now, Poppy has got some number sequences here for you to solve. So pause the video, grab your pen and paper or your whiteboard and see if you can find the missing mystery numbers here. Good luck. Okay, how did you get on? Well, let's go through the answers together. So number 1 on the blue balloons. We've got 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Number 2, we start at 30 and we are counting backwards in threes. So it goes 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15. Okay, number 3 with the green balloons, because the mystery numbers are at the start, we need to look towards the end of the sequence and work backwards. So although it's going 6, 9, 12, 15, let's count backwards from 15. 15, 12, 9, 6, 3 and 0. Okay, on to number 4, the gold balloons. We've got 3, something, 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 15, 18. So we're counting on in threes. We could work backwards. We could go 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Then finally on the blue balloons, number 5, we've got 3 missing numbers at the start and then it goes 6, 3, 0. So the sequence is the numbers are getting smaller. We're counting backwards. Let's work backwards from 0 to find the answers. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Well done if you've got those number sequences correct. Now, our friend Suki has got a few problems for us to solve now by using our knowledge of counting in threes. So here, Suki has got some tricycles and she wants to know how many wheels there are. So the question says, Suki is counting wheels on the tricycles. How many wheels are there? Pause the video here, have a go at working this out and then come back once you've done it. Okay, how did you get on? Well, let's work this out together. So if we start with the first tricycle, there are 3 wheels on that one. And then on the next tricycle, we've got another 3 wheels. So that is 6 altogether. And then another 3 wheels would be 9. And another 3 wheels would be 12. So there are 12 wheels altogether. This time, Suki is counting leaves on the clover. How many leaves are there altogether? Pause the video here and see if you can work it out by counting in threes. Okay, let's see how you got on. So we'll start with the first clover. 3 leaves on that one. Another 3 makes 6. Another 3 makes 9. Another 3 makes 12. And 3 more is 15. And another 3 is 18. There are 18 leaves all together. Great problem solving, everybody. Now we're nearly at the end of this lesson about counting in threes, but just before we finish, let's have a little game. So I'm going to say a number sequence. If I clap, I want you to say the next number in the sequence. Okay, we'll do one to practice. So if I went 0, 3, 6, hopefully you've said 9. Okay, let's go. Here we go again. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, did you say 15? Well done if you did. Let's go again. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Hopefully you said 21. Well done if you got that one. Okay, let's try counting backwards in threes. We'll start at 30. Here we go. 30, 27, 24. Well done if you said 21. Okay, last one. We'll start at 30 again. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15. If you said 12, well done. Okay, so this lesson has all been about counting in threes. And in our last lesson on counting, we're going to put together everything that we've been doing on counting in 2s, 10s, 5s and 3s and solving some problems about counting. Hopefully, I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.